students, in this video we will learn how to write the trigonometric values, the table from 0 to 360 degrees. In the 10th standard we have learned how to write from 0 to 90 degrees, right? Okay. So 0 to 90 degrees, what were the values? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and cos values were reverse of this. Okay. Tan is sine by cos, so this is 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, and this is not defined. Okay. Cosecant will be reciprocal of sine, so this is not defined. This is 2, this is root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1, and secant values reverse of cosecant or reciprocal of cos, right? So 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. Cot values were reverse of tan, so not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. We studied this much in the 10th standard, right? So we studied only the first quadrant values, and everything will be positive in first quadrant, right? See this, if this is 0 degrees, here 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and this is 270, and again 360 will come here, right? This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth, all silver. Okay, that means sine and cosecant will be positive, all silver. We have studied this concept, all silver, teacups, in the previous videos also, right? So T means tan will be positive, reciprocal of that cot will be positive. Cups means cos will be positive, and reciprocal of that secant will be positive, right? In the first quadrant, every value is positive, every ratio is positive. In second, sine and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, right? Whereas in the fourth quadrant, cosecant and secant are positive. Okay. With this knowledge and with these values, we have studied this in the 10th standard also, right? Okay, with this knowledge, let us write the remaining angles also, remaining standard angles. Okay. See, how should we write the standard angles? 90 plus 30. 90 plus 45, 90 plus 60 values will come here. 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. Okay. 90 plus 45, 135 degrees. 90 plus 60, 150 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees, right? So these are the second quadrant values now. Okay. These angles will lie in the second quadrant, right? So in the second quadrant, see, sine and cosecant are positive. So sine will be positive and cosecant values will be positive. The remaining four, that is cos, tan, secant and cot, will be negative values, right? For a while, let us forget about negative values. What should be the values here? What should be, see, sine 120 degrees, what is sine 135, sine 150 and sine 180 degrees? What should be the values? See, it is like you are placing a mirror here. Imagine that you are placing a mirror here. If you place a mirror, this one value will be reflected first here, right? One value will be here, then this root 2, root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by root 2 will be here, and 0, 1 by 2 and 0 will come here, right? Okay. See, sorry, I explained it wrong. If you place a mirror here at 90 degrees, on 90, if you place a mirror here at 90, this root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by root 2 will look here, 1 by 2 will be visible here, and 0 will be visible here, right? It is like you are placing a mirror here on 90 degrees. All the values will be reflected same. Okay, they will be same. So here what do we have now? Root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, here see, place mirror here, so this 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Here this will be a root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. And here 2 by root 3, this is root 2, 2 and not defined, right? If you place mirror here, this values will be 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Here 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and not defined, right? So this will be the values. But what about the signs? We have studied that in second quadrant sine and cosecant will be positive. So sine positive and cosecant positive. The remaining will be negative values. So this is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus root 3 by 2, minus 1. These are also negative. See, 0 will not have a sign, right? Not plus minus will make no difference, right? So here minus, sorry, this cosecant is plus only, right? Okay. So here minus, here minus, not defined. Okay. I hope this is clear. So cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2 and so on like this. Okay. Alright. We wrote till 180 degrees, right? What should we write now? Okay, now see, if you add 180 and this angle, 180 30, 180 45, 180 60, 180 90, 180 20, 180 135, 180 150, 180 180, we'll get this values here. Okay, let us write it. I hope the board will be enough. 180 30, 210. I'll write very small. Let me just first check whether it is visible or not. Yes, okay. Please watch this video in high definition. So 210 is done, right? So 180 45. Okay. So 225. Alright. 180 and 60. How much? 240. 180 90. 270. Okay. So this is up to here, it is third quadrant. Alright. 180 and 120, it is 300. 180 135, 3 115. 180 150, how much? 330. Yes, 180 180, 360 degrees. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now what should be the values? See, now imagine you are placing a mirror at 180 degrees here at 180. What values will be reflected here? 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0 will be reflected, right? So if you place a mirror here, see 1 by 2 will look here, see this one, 1 by root 2 here, root 3 by 2 and here 1. And here root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2, the next value is 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, we'll worry about the signs afterwards. First let us write the values. Okay, now if you place mirror here, it will be root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0, and 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay, here 1 by root 3, see don't write minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. We'll worry about the signs later, right? This is root 3 and this is not defined, and this is root 3 and this is 1. This is 1 by root 3 and we have 0. Okay. Now this is 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. See, we can also write like this. If you place mirror here at 270, this same values will look, okay? You can write it like that also. Now this will be 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. If you place mirror here, see 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Same values only will come here, right? Now this will be root 3 and 1, 1 by root 3 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 and not defined. We got all the values. Signs. Okay, in the third quadrant, see this is third quadrant, right? In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Tan positive, cot positive. Remaining are negative values. Okay, let us write negative values. This is positive, negative, negative. Okay, tan and cot are positive. In the fourth quadrant, this is fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, right? So this is secant and this is cos positive. The remaining all are negative values, right? Negative, 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 negative. Okay, this is positive, this is negative. Alright, so this is how we can write angles trigonometric table from 0 to 30 degrees.